Hello! On this video I'm going to show how to synchronize shooting on the into-tanks examples using ObjectNet. The first that you need to think about is how the networks, the tanks example of Unity shooting works, okay? So first we need to check the multiplayer tank, okay? And then the script that executing the shooting. Okay, tank shooting and then fire. Okay, there's this fire. What this fire does is spawn this shell object, and this shell object is here's a rigid body. So let's check what this rigid body it's assigned into the inspector is the complete shell. Okay, this is the shot. Let's check. Okay, it's correctly. This is the bullet that the tank is shooting. Okay. So first we need to check how it's working right now. Let's play into the both instances. Okay, let's open the second instance. It's okay. Okay, the both instance it's playing. Okay, so let's start a server and start as client. Move. Okay, it's moving. Let's shoot. As you can see, it's not shooting into the client instance. Is this in the upper left corner? It's not shooting, but in the right bottom corner, it's shooting. Let's shoot with the client just to check. Okay, same has happened. I'm shooting into the left upper corner, which means it's the client and not shooting into the server. Okay, well, let's fix this. Okay, first we're going back to the main window. Okay, and then, well, there are many ways to execute the shooting. The first approach that you can think about is trying to use the shooting as a network prefab. But the network prefab is not the best way to synchronize shooting over the network, because every time that you're trying to move a shooting by the speed of the projectile, maybe not be the correctly way to do this. Of course, that the object will be synchronized and his position will be synchronized over the network. But there's a gap between spawn and start to move, and you can do this in many ways. First, you can spawn the project over the network. You can work with the events, and you can execute network methods. Okay, for this particular example, I'm going to use the approach to execute methods over the network. First, we need to check our multiplayer tank and then open the script that executes the shooting. Okay, so the shooting is executed with this method, fire. To execute this method over the network, first we need to inherit. Instead mono behavior, we need to use network behavior. And then network behavior is a special ObjectNet class that inherits and embeds all the network issues in network behavior, network methods, network architecture to the object. They have the same inheritance of mono behavior, but they have another layer to handle with the network things. Okay, so to doing this, we're going to, instead of call directly fire, we're going to call network execute. Network execute will execute this method over the network. We have also another option that would be network execute on client. This method will execute the method only into the client instance, and we have already other that network execute on server that we will execute this method only into the server. This is a good approach if you have, for example, network prefabs that you're going to execute into the server, and then we will replicate it into all clients. For the alternative servers, this may be a good option. So, but we're going to execute only the execute method. Okay, so after that, you're going to save, and then press play into the server, then start server, As you can see, let's check if the shooting is still working. Is it still working? I can shoot. Now I'm going to show the both screens and press play. Let's start client. Just to keep better, I'm going to the lefty upper corner is the client, and the right down corner, bottom corner is the server. Let's shoot it to the server. Let's pass over this just to not to get a better vision. Oh, and then let's shoot. As you can see, the shot is synchronized in both instances. Okay, so the second I'm going to shoot on the client. Okay, and then shooting in both. Let's do here and shooting both. As you can see, the shooting is synchronized. I need to handle with some force value, but the basics of shooting, it's working. As you can see, if I shoot into the tank, okay, its damage is done, and both the client is died, and I win the match. Okay, so this is how you synchronize the methods over the network, and how we can synchronize the shoots with the ObjectNet. I hope that it's clear for everybody, and I will see in the next video.